anytime I have any updates that are new from the last event, I like to share. Can you see this, the exhibitor screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So we actually added one more exhibitor a week and a half ago, and that is Mary Hoffman here. So anybody that just has the name is just running as an individual, not as a business name. But these are our exhibitors this year, and we're very excited because there's going to be a lot of fun, really cool stuff that we have. And then I want to also give a quick shout out to the sponsors. Just give me 1 second to pull that up. A big shout out to all of our sponsors: USA MJ Table, Chris Lloyd, Mah Jongg Fever, Yellow Mountain, Mah Jongg Novelties, Mah Jongg Maven, Where the Winds Blows, Siamese Mahjong, and Mah's Helping Hand. And I Love Maj. So a big thank you to our sponsors. Just, I mean, it really wouldn't happen without them. And our silent auction donations this year are absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to get off of sharing again. Just really fun items that we're going to have for Alzheimer's. And we're going to be doing a 50-50 draw on Thursday as well as on Friday, so that people have a chance of winning that 50-50 2 days, and we have more opportunity to raise funds for Alzheimer's. So we're really excited, and they will be there. The Alzheimer's rep, my Alzheimer's rep, and another person will be there on Friday when we announce the silent auction winners. So that's really, really special as well. I mean, they're just so great. And my rep took myself and another gal out, you know, that I guess I don't know if they do it for if you raise X number of dollars, but we raised, MahjCon raised over $7,000 last year. So we're very, very excited about that. And I am hoping to top it this year. And let's see what else. I want to just look at my notes and make sure I don't miss anything. So on Thursday so far, we have 70-ish attendees. And on Friday, we have 106. And the reason we have more on Friday is because we did open up the tournament, which, by the way, Andrew, was one of the things that people had mentioned, that they would like to have the option of coming to a solo day event. So both Thursday and Friday were sold as separate ticketing for those who didn't. There's some people that just feel like 2 days is a lot for me, and they just want to do 1 day. So we did open it up to selling separate tickets, which really was good. It worked out good. I don't think I would change that at all. We have one little schedule change, and you might have seen this on Facebook, so I'll bring this post up and then I'll share my screen. Mm-hmm. So I've been posting this every 2-3 days. We've got some really fun and new things that are going to be announced at MahjCon this year. Of course, anybody who's not attending will hear about it after the fact. I can't share anything with you right now, unfortunately, but we're excited about that. So part of the change that we made was the schedule, and the schedule, the only change we've made for that in the schedule is, all right, so here's the schedule. So the only change we made, because we needed a little more time to announce these new things, is on Friday, the lunch is 45 minutes instead of an hour. And what I'm finding that most people don't need a full hour for lunch anyway. Most people are done and ready to get back to the activities. So here's the whole schedule in case anybody watching hasn't seen it, it's in the program, and all of my email list has gotten a program, and I will be sending out a final program. The whole program is something like 17, 20 pages long. The whole program has all of the different events that are going on, program highlights, the people that are going to be running the workshops. Of course, the shout out to all volunteers, all of our exhibitors and sponsors, and then it goes through all of the different workshops and what's going to be covered at them. So if you haven't received a program, please head over to MahjCon.com and just fill in the contact form and just put in there, please email me a program if you want to receive one and you have not received one. And a hello again to anybody watching on YouTube. All right, I think, let me look and make sure there's nothing else that I need to update you on. I did update you on the 50-50 taking place, the shuttle. Okay, so we're going to be sending out emails starting on Monday, maybe even over the weekend, and they will have all the important information that everybody needs to know. Let me stop sharing. About how to make reservations for the shuttle to and from the airport, how about the Wednesday night event, which was an add-on event, and how we're going to get people over there. We're going to have like a little carpool thing going on because there's not a huge crowd for Wednesday night. It's a very small get-together event. And that is, I think, the most important thing. Oh, and the hotel extended because we did get some last-minute bookings. They extended our group rate till October 7th. So we were excited because we thought we were going to have to cut ticketing sales off on the 30th. So I'm hoping for whoever's watching this replay that you consider joining us at MahjCon this year. We have so many fun things that are happening and taking place, and I just am so excited, and I just can't wait to get the party started. I think that's it, unless you have any questions. If there's any questions, anybody watching on YouTube, I'm looking to keep an eye on the chat there. And if there's no questions, I think that wraps it up. All righty, we're going to be officially signing off, and I will have this update on YouTube so that anybody who wants to watch the replay can do so. And good night, everybody.